All of those vutainers that I just dumped on the ground, this little box right here replaced all of those. Drawer bins, 3 different sizes, 45 in this package for less than $20. A hardware store. This one is an important drawer for me because I keep large varieties of screws and bolts and nuts and all of those things. The vutainers fit well in my vertical, both on the wall over there and here. Not much else does better than those. Here I have the small ones all laid out, and it's been that way for years, way back when I built the Smart Wood Shop. And even though they were see-through, I would start looking around and go pull this one, that one, and sometimes I couldn't find what I was looking for. I'd eventually go to the hardware store, buy some, and then later on when I'm not looking, find them. So I decided I needed to make it more accessible, leaner, more efficient. I love those bins that you can get with these little trays in them. I've had lots of those, and I found that even though they were great to take onto the job, I didn't need to do that much. Most of the time I'd pull them out, open them, find what I needed. I felt that the vutainers in the drawers was more efficient. This kind of gives me a hybrid. Those trays that make them visible, but I don't have to pull anything out. I just open the drawer, and now I can, whatever I'm trying to fit, I can grab the nut, the bolt, make sure they match up. All my washers, all these different screws. My secondary hardware, this is mostly electrical. I used the larger bins here more. This is in the Smart Wood Shop. It bounces down the road. And I am a fanatic about making my tools visible to me that I can grab and take on. I just don't use boxes. I just find that putting my tools in a box, even the beautiful boxes they're building these days, slows me down and takes a lot more room. If I had all of these tools in boxes, this trader would have to be at least twice as big. Every time I wanted something, I'd have to come in and get a box out, open it up, or take it on the job. I just keep empty woodworker bag, grab what I need, go out, come back, and I can put everything away. What about this stuff loosely floating around when I'm going from job to job or going down the road? Are these going to just bounce out and jumble around? Remember way back, again, when I built not only the Smart Wood Shop, but the awesome rolling toolbox before this, and then the big box truck before that, and then there was even a trailer, my first one I showed on this channel before all of that. These came from there. These are the same thing as these, little trays that hook together, and they carry my finish nails. I took these all the way from Washington to Florida. Not a single nail bounced out of its bin. It is proven, and it does work. Since these bins worked and I've had them, why am I showing you this now? Price. These are Rubbermaid. They are multiple dollars per bin. I was able to get 45, this whole kit here, for less than 20 bucks. I'll put these in my store and a link below. And by the way, that link is affiliate. Why orange? You want something that reflects light. The dark grays, the dark blues, even the dark reds, and particularly the blacks, they absorb light, and you just don't see into your stuff as well. If you have a set of Smart Wood Shop plans and you're building one of these or have built one of these for yourself, all of these drawers are the exact same width and depth. Some are shorter and taller, but those two directions are identical, and that's on purpose so that everything is modular. So this drawer can go here, this drawer can go here, this double can go where two go, this one, it's part of the system. You can put 70 of these in one drawer. The longer ones, they're like 3, and the wider longers are like 6. So they're modular, they all work. If you like these videos and you want to see me keep making them, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Also, go to Ron's store or use some of the affiliate links to support us here. And if you want a detailed set of plans to build a Smart Wood Shop like this, or one of the smart workbenches, or any of the accessories that work with the system, there's a link in the description of the video down below. Mahalo.